Nadine, I'm here. I'm stuck in here. Look at me. Don't turn around. I'm here. Do you want to learn this magic tutorial? Come along with me in this tutorial and you will learn it. Let's go. Open your CapCut. You need two videos. One of them which should be your image in the drawer, and the second video of you leaning on the drawer and acting like you notice a sound and turning around but you don't see anything. Now I delete the extra part. I separate the video into two parts. Then from overlay section, I put the second video into the second layer. Then I select the second video and go to the mask section and select rectangle. You can change the direction of the mask from the invert section. There are two arrows under the mask, with which you can erase the edge of the mask, and by moving the mask, and you can increase and decrease its size because part of the two subjects are too close to each other. I make the mask area small and fade the border of the mask, and when two subjects are a little far from each other, I increase the width of the mask. And for making your video more attractive, you can add some sound effect to your video.
What's on your mind? Can I read it from your eyes? Can we lay and make the time stand still? What if we stay? Pretend there's nothing else.
I match the sound with the moment of the subject's hand hitting on the mirror. Then I record my voice for the subject inside the mirror. And that is the result. Nadine, I'm here. I'm stuck in here. Look at me. Don't turn around. I'm here. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you liked, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and don't forget to share it with your friends. Goodbye till the next tutorial.